Okay guys, Ghibli art is here. And why am I wearing glasses? I have no idea, so let me just take them off. You probably came here because you want to know how to do it, or you just saw the beautiful thumbnail I also made with ChatGPT. So let me exactly show you how to make the most out of ChatGPT with this new update that literally allows you to either create or recreate even receipts. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so when you pull up ChatGPT, you can just, I'm using the pro version, of course, because that's really worth it. And yeah, what you do is you just click on whatever modal you want. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 because I think that's pretty reasonable. You can just start typing. You don't even have to go to this DALL-E or other image generating models. You can just literally type, create me a Ghibli-styled forest. It straight away gets you creating these images. It takes a while, but if we look at the animation of how is it doing, we can actually even understand the process of how ChatGPT thinks about creating these images. So we can see it starts from up to the bottom. Okay, so now it's creating the image, and before it generates the whole image, I want to tell you about my school community. I'm not trying to sell you a course that is just going to make me money. I'm trying to actually make you money, or at least make you fully understand AI and learn the skill on your own. So what my school is about, right? My school is about a community of people that genuinely know AI and they really want to be good at it. There's me, there's Paul, other YouTuber, there's many more professors coming into my school community. So it's just not your, average school community where there's one online creator that just takes all the money and just, gives you a bunch of videos that are already on YouTube. This is something different. There's 24 hours of support from me, Paul, or other YouTubers that are coming there. And yeah, right now it's at the lowest price. It's at 25 bucks because we're just getting started, right? So there's not, let's say, 100 videos yet, but that's why we have the price so lower. But now back to the Ghibli art. And of course, you can find the name of the school in the descriptions. It's FutureMinds AI. So yeah. But what we can see here is that ChatGPT thinks or behaves or creates the image from the top to the bottom. Right now, it gives us this blurred image on the bottom, but a lot can change in that. Right now, we probably see how it's going to be, but it can all change, It gave us this not fully created image. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens. And since it's really a new feature, it's really hard for ChatGPT. They even said that their GPUs are melting, literally. So we'll have to bear some inconvenience, but maybe let's add some text. ChatGPT was really bad with adding text. Now we can see this beautiful image, but what if you want to say, let's say, add the text saying forest. Now it's going to generate another image, and it's actually asking us what does it want to do. So I say just be creative. Say be creative, and it's right away starting to get the image. So let's wait for the results. So now we can see these 3 stages of ChatGPT. Here on top, you can see the fully made one. Here you can see the it has some idea. And here it's just really let's say 10% of what it's actually going to be. And it's going slowly down. So now we don't even see the text saying forest, but it's going to add it there pretty soon. And I told it to be just creative. So we're going to see what it does. Boom, and now we can see it added the forest layer or the forest part. So you can already have an idea of what it's going to look like, but now it's coming to be alive. And why do you need this? Well, you can literally create your own comics right now. Within simple make automation, you can literally create a Ghibli art comics all for free. I mean, just be creative, literally. You don't even have to be honest. It's ChatGPT is doing it for you. So we can already see this beautiful font of this forest. And yeah, it's really, really, really nice. I mean, it's basically the same. It's basically the same image, right? I mean, not totally, but pretty much the same if you look at the stones and everything. Basically the same, but only is it? It's actually totally the same. Okay, so now I just said to add a village there and a lost map laying on the ground, and you can already see a village in the background. Forest text is here, so everything is working pretty smoothly, pretty easily. On the free version of ChatGPT, you get only 3 images per day, but still, come on, like for a free version, it's super nice. And with this, you can literally recreate anything, literally anything. You can post a picture of your car and you can make it into a damaged car. You can do anything, you know. Yeah, we can see a beautiful forest image. So whatever you want to do with this, you can play around with it. You can basically create anything you want. So this was a short one, but thank you for watching. Drop a comment, drop a like. It would really hype the video up. And yeah, see you in the next one.